call it 上臂同埋下臂啦。In written we will call it 上臂下臂，but in spoken 啦 usually we just say 手臂。Here we call it 手踭。Here is 踭 the elbow 就係踭手踭。Here the wrist。The wrist 咧就係手腕係啦，咁fingers 就係手指啦，咁 this thumb 就係手指公啊 ，because it is we may think that it is the most powerful one， then we call it 公啦，手指公。This one 咧 the last one we call it 手指尾啊，即係尾 means the last one，OK，raise the tone to become 尾，手指尾。係啦 ，and this one we call it I think this one we call it 食指。食 is eating because usually you use this finger to like this way， so this is 食指啦 ，this is for eating。And this because in the middle we call it 中指係啦，中指。This one 咧，then we don't give them name 啦，we call it 無名指。無名 means no name， 名咧就 name， 無名即 no name， 因為we don't want to think of a name，so we just call it 無名指 no name，OK？ Yeah， do you have different names for these five fingers? This is thumb and yeah, index index and this is middle, yeah, and this ring. Oh yeah, because for the wedding ring finger, yeah. And this you call it last the pinky, P-I-N. Oh, pinky. Why you call it pinky then? No reason, right? Yeah. So you have to know all different names but we all have the word 指 ，OK， 手指公食指中指無名指 and then actually you can call it 尾指 or 手指尾yeah then there's the 尾啦 the last one OK， but we all with the word 指 OK yeah just like 藥you just know the word medicine then you use 藥 and then you can call it 中藥西藥或者係湯藥或者定係乜嘢就係藥丸 OK 藥粉藥散藥水 OK you just learn the word 藥 and then you don't need to all different spelling for English pills medicine and something like that OK yeah and then so yeah and this is 翼 the armpit we call it 翼翼咧 is for written. Actually in spoken we have a quite a funny name 3 words we call it 格旯底底咧 means something under then is 底OK 譬如三部床下底 under the bed we call it 床下底啦 under the bed 咁所以呢度咧格旯底咁但係格旯咧其實就唔係幾易講同埋咧actually it is just a form colloquial OK usually for more formal term written term we call it 翼翼下 that is 格旯底底 and 下also means below under okay it's fun that we have this name actually we don't have the written word for this term actually there is the written term but we usually write it we just say it 格旯底 okay when we write it we usually write 翼下翼 okay 翼咧就係JIK 翼with the ending K 翼係啦翼 just like the 雞翼雞翼咧 wing chicken wing 咧個雞翼咧 we also call it 翼 okay but this 翼咧totally different in written form okay the chicken wing 翼 and this 翼咧different Chinese words okay but the same sound 翼 okay no 嗱 for example armpit you call it 翼下 and then 手指要係手啦手臂要係手啦and then 手踭嗱 the elbow 啦 for example you just call it elbow or you just call it wrist right we'll add 手 yeah we'll add 手腕 but you can also just say 腕 we have a forward turn we say it 握腕輕彈 if there is a forward turn we 握腕輕彈 that means we hold our waist and then when sometimes you give a sigh and then you usually will hold it tight and then we will say 握腕慨嘆握腕輕彈咁但 but you just call the different parts of the body we usually will add yeah if it is concerned with the hand we will add the 手腕 手指手踭膊頭咧，膊頭 because maybe it is not just the hand also connect then we call it just 膊頭肩膊 okay and then for example those on the leg for example 腳the ankle okay we call it 腳踭the knee we call it 膝頭 then we don't say 腳頭or 腳膝 okay we just say 膝頭for the knee okay the ankle we have the 腳踭and then the toes the ankle is 腳踭 ankle you know what's ankle yeah ankle knee 就係膝頭淨係膝啫because for example if you don't have if some person don't have any trial they will say that 膝下猶虛虛that means you don't have so 膝下咧 means maybe when you have no children then we have this term 膝下猶虛 maybe when you have children you have to kneel down to play with them then means 膝下啦即係膝that means when you kneel down then your 膝咧is on the ground right so it is 膝下啦 OK 膝下猶虛就係 no trial 啦所以膝 but when we say just like the 手踭啦we say 手踭 and then we say 膝頭 we say 腳踭手踭咧 sometimes we can just use 踭 for example 你做乜踭我咁踭咧一定係用手去踭嘅，冇人會用隻腳去踭嘅。咁所以咧，我哋咧就可以話唔使話你做乜用手踭我，就話你踭我就得啦。即係意思咧，要 use your elbow 啦 ，OK？ 你做乜踭我啊 ？OK？ 係咪手踭啊？ankle 咧就唔係踭啦 ，ankle 就係腳 ，ankle 都係踭啊，腳踭腳踭係啦手咧就係手踭踭咧就好似你爭嘢嗰個爭不過就唔同 radical 嘅，就係但係個音咧都係爭嘢個爭手踭腳踭唔好爭嘢嗰個音嗰個爭咁譬如話fist 啦拳頭啦係咪？咁要 just say 拳頭you don't need to say 手拳頭 just 拳頭fist 拳頭啦咁等陣先拳你做乜用拳頭打我